Okay, so check this out. This is a reefer container that we made into 2 cabinas. So you can see the steel protecting door. We haven't put the glass door in yet. So as you walk in, got a little tiny kitchenette, little sitting area. That's where the bed goes. These walls have 3 inches of insulation, and so do the ceilings. So we didn't do anything to the interior but paint it. And then the bathroom's not quite finished yet. When you walk into the bathroom, you know, you got a toilet, sink, and then we're gonna have a shower door there. And this is just one half of the unit. The other half, okay, wait, there's your steel lock box. So the unit actually slides into that, and the lock goes underneath. Pretty cool. So yeah, here's kind of a simple layout. You know, it looks really nice with the chairs set up. Perfect for a beach rental. This home is a 40-foot reefer container. So you can see these steel doors close. And it travels as one unit. And it's safe. We're just missing our glass doors. The glass doors will go on shortly. But there you go. All right, catch us at containerhomes.net.